Hey boys and girls. Okay, so I'm so excited to share with you this read aloud. It is called Let's Bake. Ooh, look at that front cover. What do you think that he is going to be baking? See all those ingredients? Ingredients are all those items you see on that counter to make a special dish. Okay. Let's take a look. Let's see what he's going to be baking. I wonder if there's any clues to help you know what we're going to be baking. Okay, let's find out and see. Let's bake. These bananas are very ripe. Grandma says they are still good to eat. Wonder what we could bake with bananas. She says we can use them to make banana bread. I love banana bread. Here is what we need to make banana bread. Okay. And right here, this is called the recipe. All the things that we need to put inside our banana bread. So here we have banana bread. Okay. We need 3 ripe bananas, 2 eggs, 2 cups of flour, 3/4 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts. Sounds yummy. We also need some cups and spoons. These are called measuring cups, and we have our teaspoons and tablespoons. This is what we use to help measure our ingredients. You need to measure everything just right, Grandma said. We need other tools too. We will use a big bowl. We will use a fork for mashing. Got us a big bowl. We will use a big spoon for stirring. We'll use a pan for baking. We are ready to start. I mash the bananas with a fork. Just mashing up all those bananas. Grandma cracks the eggs into the bowl, then I mix it all together. We add the flour, salt, and baking powder. Next, we add the sugar and stir. The last thing we add are the nuts. We pour the batter into the pan. Now, the bread will bake. The heat inside the oven will change the batter. It will change from sticky batter into bread. Wow, looks yummy. We measured and stirred. We waited for the bread to bake. Now we will eat banana bread. Boys and girls, that looks so yummy. It's so yummy, it got me thinking, we need to make banana bread. So, I bet you were wondering, why is Miss Duffy wearing an apron while she's reading a book? I'm prepared for us to make banana bread. So come along with me as we make our bread. Girls, so we are going to be baking our banana bread. And we are going to follow all the same instructions in our book that we had about Let's Bake. So let's see what our first instruction was to do. Let's bake. These bananas are very ripe. Grandma says they are still good to eat. She says we can use them to make banana bread. Okay, so I've gone out and I've found me some ripe bananas. I'll show you. We have some ripe bananas, and yeah, they have some brown spots on them, but that's okay. This is how we know they're ripe. When they're green, those bright green bananas, that's when we know that they're not ready and they're not ripe yet, like these that have like little brown spots on them. So these are perfect for them. We are ready to start. First, we need to mash the bananas with a fork. Okay, this is my favorite part of this recipe, is getting to mash with the bananas. Oh, so I'm gonna peel each banana. You see I'm peeling the bananas. I'm just gonna peel them off, pull all the skin off. Got one banana so far. Let me grab my next one. Gonna peel my next banana, get all the skin off of that banana. Peel everything off. Okay, there's number 2. Now I'll get number 3. Peel my third banana. Since they're so ripe, they're easy to peel, the skin to peel off. Okay, so I've gotten all my bananas in my bowl. And I'm gonna take my fork and I'm gonna start mashing them. Mash, mash, mash. So I'm mashing all the bananas up. So mashed up our bananas with a fork. Grandma cracks the eggs in the bowl and then I mix it together. So I've gotten my 2 eggs that we need to put into the bowl. So here's my first egg, show you my first egg, and I'm just going to tap it, tap, 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 and crack it into my bowl. Make sure I do it slowly so I don't get any eggshells in there. Okay, there's egg number 1. Show you my second egg. Here's my second egg. Okay, I'm gonna tap it on the edge of my bowl, tap, 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 and open it up right here into the bowl. Perfect. Okay. Oop. I dropped a little piece of the eggshell, but I fixed it. I've got it right here. I'm gonna put it in our trash. Now we're gonna mix it all together. So I've gotten my big spoon that we're gonna use. I'm gonna mix it all up. Mixing it, mixing it, mix. So she's cracked the eggs and we put it into our bowl, mixed it all up. We need to add the flour, salt, and baking powder. I've got my flour right here in my nice bowl. We got lots of flour, so I'm gonna dump it into our bowl. Okay, plop, here we go. We need the salt. So I've got 1 teaspoon. This is a teaspoon. I've measured 1 teaspoon of salt. And then I've got my another teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I'm gonna pour that in. Okay, and we're gonna mix that all together. Okay, show you what I've got. Stirred it all up. It's all mixed together. So let's see what we need to do next. Mixed in our ingredients, okay? Now we add the sugar. Ooh, we add the sugar into it now. So I've got my, let's see, I've got my 3/4 cup of sugar. I'm gonna pour it into our bowl. And we're gonna mix it together, mixing all the sugar. Okay. Show you what I've got. Got the sugar all into our mixture. See, we add are the nuts. So I've got us a 1/2 cup of walnuts. I like y'all walnuts. And we're gonna add a 1/2 cup of walnuts into our mixture. Pour it in. Okay. And then we're gonna mix that together too. And with this, I kind of just fold in a stick our mixture that we put into our pan. We have our mixture in our pan. We're gonna stick this into the oven. Okay, let's see. I got my oven on and I've got it set for 350 degrees, and we're gonna pop that into the oven. Okay, to our oven. Okay, it's in our oven. Take our banana bread out of the oven. Okay, I'm over here. I'm gonna grab hold of the handle and let's see. Ooh, look how good that banana bread looks. Oh my goodness. Now I've got my oven mitt on since it's very, very hot. Okay, now I'm gonna take it over here to the counter. Oh my goodness, look how yummy. I can't wait to let the banana bread cool, and so I can cut a slice and have me a slice of banana bread. Alrighty, boys and girls, thank y'all so much for helping me bake this banana bread. I couldn't have been able to do it without y'all. And I'll see y'all very, very soon for another video. Bye.